If you're working in Brightspace and are trying to figure out how you can add a live WebEx session link into your Brightspace Learning Shell, stick around and I'll show you how. I'm doing another Brightspace tutorial. This time I want to look at how to add a WebEx link into your Brightspace Learning Shell. So if you take a look at the screen, I'm going to go ahead and show you how this could be done. Right over here we have the course homepage. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move into the content section. Once I'm in the content section, I'm going to go down to where it says New Unit, Add New Unit. Now I've already done this, but you're going to go ahead and add a new unit, and you can name it whatever you want, but I've named my unit WebEx Meeting Room. Once you've created that, click into your WebEx Meeting Room or whatever you've called it, and then you're going to add your actual link. Now I've already done this as well, but I'm going to go back and I'm going to add a second link to walk you through how this can be done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move over to this area that says Add Existing. Right there, I'm going to click on External Tool Activity. Then I'm going to scroll down until I find WebEx. Click on WebEx, and it is immediately added right below the original one that I had right there. Now you'll notice that the students won't be able to see this because it's currently hidden from the student view. To change that, I'm just going to go up to this area, click on the button at the top, making it visible to everybody. And this is essentially how you're going to use this feature. You can use a classroom collaboration, you could use virtual meetings, you could use office hours, and you've got a recording library. There's also a setup and analytic tab at the top. Normally, virtual meetings, how I tend to handle my classes, and what I would do here is go in and schedule a new meeting. And I've already done this. And as soon as you schedule a new meeting, you can pick the title for the meeting, you can pick the day, the time, all the details, including the duration of the meeting, and it would automatically post it as upcoming in your list of meetings. When I want to begin that meeting, all I have to do is come over here, hit the start button, and the meeting will become live. The students will be able to log in similarly, so you could teach your students to go into the link, come into virtual meetings, and then join the meeting according to the buttons that appear below. One of the other neat features of this link is that you can actually handle virtual office hours through the tab as well. If you go to office hours, you could arrange your schedule so that you could have virtual office hours set up in increments from 15 minutes to 30 minutes, 45 or even 60-minute sessions. Right now I currently have it set to 15-minute sessions, so if I would like, I could pick a day of the week, say Tuesday. I want to have sessions reserved for students between 8 and say 9 o'clock in 15-minute blocks. I just go ahead and highlight those, and then I could add them into my office hours. So when the students click on office hours, they could see what is available and then schedule a session with me. If I've held virtual meetings and record them for students, under the Recordings Library tab, you'll see any of the recordings by date where the students can go in and watch any sessions that they may have missed. So it's really inclusive. It includes everything that you need a WebEx tool to do, set up right there in the Brightspace Learning Management System. Pretty simple, fairly straightforward. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new sessions that I might post. And again, thank you for watching.